Hi guys, Light Meadow Creations again. Today we have for you a vintage Sunny Suzy washing machine that was a popular toy back in the 1930s. We purchased this at the last auction in Oakland, Nebraska. Let's see how this works. First, we're going to show you the inside of it. This is in really good shape for the age. See if we can carefully take this off. Oh, I'm having a little, trying to be careful with it. So you have these underneath that would turn to wash the clothes. See, it's in pretty good shape at the bottom. So you put the clothes inside the washing machine. Carefully put this back on. There we go. Hold it down here. And we'd wash the clothes. I'm doing a whole lot. Take it back off. Our nice washed clothes. Put that back on. Then, here we got our clothes. We have to, now we got wet clothes, so we got to put this back on. This will wring the water out of our wet clothes. Here it goes, wringing out the water. Well, here you go, guys. Thank you for watching with us. Like and share our videos. Goodbye.